morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning. Ollie is ready for his food, but today I have a special treat for him. I finally found some quail eggs from a little farmer's market. We had some, put me on to where I could get one, and so I got a little, and a hard-boiled one. It took all of 5 minutes to hard-boil. Ollie's interested. What is that, bro? So let's turn it up. I was gonna turn it over and make him work for it, but hey. You got that thing? It's okay, you can have it. What is it? Get it. When you got that thing, you can have it. I don't want it. What is it? I don't get it, bro. What is that? You gonna open it or what? Zyla's over there watching Bubble Guppies, so excuse that. Come on. You getting desperate? You know, you're trying to open that thing? It's okay. There you go. Get you a little piece of that one. Good job. Come on. Come on. There you go. Oh, you like that one? Yeah, eat that thing. Good job. Very good, Ollie. He's cracking it. You can't really hear it on there, but I can hear it going. That's easy. He really likes that egg. Come on. Come on, I don't want it. You can have it. I just want you up here, buddy. Get it, Ollie. Get that thing. He dropped a piece of shell that went down his diaper. He was like, what in the world was that? There's nothing down there, Ollie. You're silly. I want to help him so bad, but it's something that I think he needs to learn how to do. I know you want my help, but then you won't want my help, so I'm gonna let you work that out, dude. Can you get it off? I don't want your egg. I don't want your egg, mister. Where'd you go? There you are. Oh yeah, secret squirrel in there? Secret squirrel monk. He's slowly working some of it off. There you go, buddy. Is that good, Ollie? There's the good stuff in there, huh? Good job. Good job, smart man. Yeah, very good. Is that yummy? Is it good, Ollie? Oh, there's so much egg stuff in my shirt. Oh dear. Can't eat that, that's just a shout. Really gonna eat that in my collar, huh? Monkey dad life. You're silly Billy, Ollie. Is that good? You're almost to the yolk, dude. Your favorite. Hi everyone, just eating an egg for breakfast. Is that good? Ah, now he's shy again. He's like, I need my privacy. You need your privacy in there? Ollie, you're so peculiar. Yummy, yummy. That means he's really enjoying it when you hear that little pop, pop, pop sound. He only does it when something he's really munching on. There you go. He's got the hang of getting the top of that shell off. Is that good, Ollie? I'm wondering if he's gonna eat the whole thing, or if he's just gonna like get to the center and munch it, and then be disinterested. Good job. It's like the perfect size for his little body. Yeah. finally realized that I don't really want to take it from him, so he's focusing less on a spot to eat it and just actually eating it. I noticed that quail eggs, their shells are actually a little tougher, or a little harder. Because before, I mean, he definitely had that big boiled egg disassembled and was munching on it before. And now, not so much. He can't really. He can bite through it, I just don't think he realizes it. I don't know. He keeps doing it. He's legit just hanging out in there. Is that good, Ben? Monkey in my shirt. I can all see my tattoos and battle scars and stuff. Oh, is that good?
Sing it, Ziley. Go ahead, girl.
How did I know?
Do you even egg, bro? Do you even eat eggs?
He's just in there munching. It's so weird. Half daddy, half tape.
Get that thing. Get that thing. Is that yummy? Crunchy. Oh.
I can smell it. Did y'all know that quail eggs have more potassium in them than a regular egg, and I think it's something like twice the amount of protein? They're just smaller. Pretty wild. Didn't know that. It's actually a better nutritional egg. Oh yeah, he's all in the yolk now.
Good job, Walls. Get that.
Yeah, you only make a mess in my shirt.
Are you coming out?
I don't know, he dropped it, I feel it. I squished it and he's so mad. He's mad and grateful at the same time. It's different than a regular boiled egg though. It was like the shell didn't come apart, so I think that, like I was saying, it's tougher, more leathery. Have fun cleaning up all this egg rubble.
That's the one who's calling your name, bro. Here it goes. A little snack, bro. The treasure in there. Good on. Time, bro. Shoot.
almost like a leatherier, like more. There's more membrane over the shell. It's really weird looking, like a turtle shell, but encased in chicken egg style. There it is. Boom. Pull it. There you go. You got the goods, bro. There you go. Well, let us know what you think about this video, if Ollie enjoyed it, and if we should try a raw one. If you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram. We're only 75, I think, or so, something like that, away from 10,000. And I'll be able to share links with everybody throughout all my social media. We would really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share us with a friend. Say bye, alls. Enjoy your breakfast. Thanks for watching the only channel on YouTube dedicated to the life of baby Squirrel Monkey. Please like and subscribe.